Hello students, in our last lecture we have completed question number 3 of exercise 2.2. Right now I am going to start solve question number 4 of our exercise 2.2. Right, what is question number 4? Question number 4 is, by what number should we divide 4:3 by 4? Question number 4. By what number should we divide 4:3 to get 1:2 by 3? Right? 1:2 by 3. So let the number be. This is your question from solution is here. Let the number be x. Right, we are considering if we divide by x, then our number will come. So whatever our value of x will come, that will be our answer. Right, so let us first convert this into the rational form. 4 4 16 plus 3, 19 upon 4. So it will be 19 upon 4. And if we divide it by x, then it will come 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. Then it will come 5 by 3. Right? Understand this? Here whatever our value of x will come, which will be our answer. Right? So now let us convert it into form of multiplication. There is nothing in x, in denominator of x, then we are assuming here it is a 1. So 19 upon 4, if we transfer this into form, here it is in multiplication, x upon 1 is here, it is in multiplication. So if we transfer it in the form of multiplication, so it will reciprocal. I told you in our last lecture that whatever term will be in our denominator, if we take it in the form of multiplication, so it will reciprocal, it will be reciprocal. Right? So here we have to reciprocal of this, means 1 will come above and x will come in denominator, will be equal to 5 by 3, will be equal to 5 by 3. Right? Now transfer this 4 into this side and this 19 into this side, means transfer this value into other side of the equal, means it will, we have to cross multiply, means 1 by x is as it is, like this. 5 upon 3 into this 4 will come in numerator and this 19 will go in denominator. If we transfer cross multiplication, it is called cross multiplication, means 4 will go up and 19 will go down. Right? So it is called cross multiplication. Here it is an equal sign between these two. Now let us solve this. 1 upon x is as it is equal to, here 5 4s are 20 and 9 3s are 57. 5 4s are 20 upon 3 9s are and 19 3s are 57. Right? So here if we have to find value of x, not 1 upon x, we have to find value of x. So we have to reciprocal this all whole terms. Right? So it will become x is equal to 57 upon 20, like this. Right? Here it is a value of 1 upon x. So if we have to find x means x upon 1, here we did x upon 1, so we have to reciprocal this term as well. Right? So it will be 15 upon 20. Now x is equal to, if we divide this 57 by 20, then 20 2s are 40, then remaining one is 17. So we can write it like this: 2:17 upon 20, 2:17 upon 20, like this, 2:17 upon 20. That is our answer. Means when we divide 3:4 upon 5 by this number, then 1:2 by 3 will come. Right? Now come to the question number 5th. By what number should we multiply 9 is to by 3 to get 1. We have to multiply here, right? So let the number be x. Solution, let the number be x. We are taking here x as a number. So if you multiply this 9 is to 2 by 3 into x, it will come 1, right? When we multiply this number with this, it will come 1. 9 3s are, our question is saying that, right? So 9 3s are 27 plus 2 30 29. 29 upon 3 into, it is not here, this number is not here, it is like this, it is here. 9 is to 2 is to 3, right? Into x is as it is equal to 1. Now 1x will remain here, and if we transfer this 19 upon 3 other side to the equals, it will become reciprocal, means we have this 3 will go off and this 29 will go, same as the cross multiplication. This 3 will go off and 29 will become a denominator. So here our value of x is equal to 1 into 3 will be equal to 3 upon 29. So this is our number here. 1 upon 29 is our answer. Now come to the question number 6. Sunena had 3 pizzas. She shared the pizzas with her friends. Each of them ate 3 by 7 pizza. 3 by 7 of a pizza. How many friends eat the pizzas? Means Sunena has 3 pizzas. 3 pizza. Sunena has 3 pizza. Sunena has 3 pizza. And one friend eat 3 by 7. So how many friends ate these 3 pizzas? We have to find how many friends ate these 3 pizzas. So number of friends ate the pizza. Here we can write number of friend ate the pizza will be equal to total pizza, total number of pizza, total number of pizza upon pizza ate by one friend. Pizza ate by one friend. So here our number of total number of friend, we can find total number of friend in this way, right? Total number of pizza here is 3. Total number of pizza is 3, and one friend is eating 3 by 7 part. 3 by 7 part of the pizza, right? Let us transfer this 3 by 7 into in multiplication. Here it is in denominator, here it is in division. So when we transfer it in multiplication, it will reciprocal like this. 7 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 to 3 cancel out. So here our answer will be 7 friend. 7 friend will eat these 3 pizzas, right? If one friend eat 3 by 7 part of pizza, if one friend eat 3 by 7 part of pizza, then 7 friend will eat this 3 pizza, right? So our answer is 7 friend. Now come to the next question number 7. Ruby walked 3 by 4 kilometer 3 by 4 kilometers in 2:1 by 2 hours. How much distance does she cover in 1 hour? We have to find how much distance she cover in 1 hour, right? So here our solution is in 2:1 by, let us convert 2:1 by 2 hour. In 2:1 by 2 hour, Ruby walks Ruby walks how much distance? 3:3 so we can write it like this, right? 3 4s are 12 or 3 15 upon 4 kilometer, right? Now so in 1 hour Ruby covers will be equal to this into 1 hour upon this, right? 15 upon 4 into this 1 hour upon total time 2:1/2, right? We can write it like this way. Ruby cover in 1 hour will be equal to 15 upon 4 into this 1 hour into this upon 2:1/2. So here multiplication 1 will be same, means 15 upon 4 will be as it is upon 2 2s are 4 or 1 5/2, right? Here it is in denominator, so when we transfer it in multiplication it will become reciprocal. 15 upon 4 into this will become 2 upon 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here answer will come 2:4. 3 upon 4. So we can write it like this way. If we want to write this answer in the mixed fraction, then 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, means 1:1 upon 2. 1:1 upon 2 kilometer, means she cover in 1 hour, Ruby covers in 1 hour is 1:1 upon 2 kilometer. You can write here. Ruby covers in 1 hour is 1:1/2 kilometer. This is your answer. Now come to the question number 8. Sweetie reads 1/12 part of the book in one day. If there are 360 pages in the book, how many pages does Sweetie read in a day? Means she is reading 1/12 part of this book in one day, means 1/12 part of 360 page. So our solution will be equal to the number of page read by Sweetie in one day. The number of page read by Sweetie in one day will be equal to total page of book into part of book read in one day into part of book read in one day, right? When we multiply the total page of the book into part of the book read by in one day, then the total number of page read by the Sweetie in one day will come, right? There is a total number of pages 360. Now multiply it with the part of read by the Sweetie in one day, 1/12, right? Here you can cut it. 12 1s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So here 36 and this 0 will as it is here. So 30 will come, means 30 page. This is your answer. Means Sweetie can read 30 page in 1 day, right? Now question number 9. This is your answer of question number 8. Question number 9 is A roll of cloth measured 70 meter. If 2 is to 1 by 2 meters of cloth is needed to stitch one shirt, how many shirt can be stitched from this roll of cloth? Means we have here a roll of cloth which is 70 meter long, right? If we stitch one shirt, then it takes 2 is to 1 by 2 meters of cloth. So from this roll of cloth of 70 meter, how many shirt we can stitch, how many shirt we can make, right? So we have to find how many shirt we can stitch from this roll. So number of solution is number of shirts stitched is equal to total roll of cloth upon total roll of cloth upon cloth is needed to stitch one shirt, right? Cloth is needed to stitch one shirt. Cloth is needed to stitch one shirt, right? Here total number of total roll of cloth, right? Total roll of cloth is 70 meter. If we divide that the number of the amount of shirt is needed to stitch one shirt, then we can find the total number of shirt made by this roll, right? So let us divide this. 70 total roll of the cloth is 70 meter upon the cloth is needed to stitch one shirt is 2 is to 1 by 2, right? So here 70 upon 2 to the 4, 1 plus 1, 5 by 2. So let us write this denominator in the form of multiplication. It will become reciprocal like this. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 2 remaining, 5 fours are 20. So here 14 into 2 will be equal to 28 shirt. 28 shirt we can stitch. 28 shirt we can stitch from this total this roll, from this roll, right? This is your answer. Now Now, next question is question number 10. The area of rectangular plot of land is 36 is to 1 upon 10 square meter, means meter square, like this, square meter. This is the area of rectangular plot. If the length of plot is 7 is to 3 by 5 meter, find the width of the plot. So what is the formula of area of rectangular plot? Solution is area of rectangle is equal to area of rectangle is equal to length into width into breadth, right? So here we have to find breadth. So let us take breadth this side. Let us put the value of the inside this, right? So what is the value of here? Our area of rectangular is 36 into 36 is to 1 upon 36 is to 1 upon 10. 36 is to 1 upon 10 is equal to length. Length is 3 upon 3 is to 7 by 5 is the length of the rectangular into we have to find breadth. So breadth is as it is, right? We have to find breadth. Now convert it in the form of rational number 10 into 36c. 360 36 into 10 is equal to 360 plus 1 will be equal to 361 upon 10 is equal to 5 7s are 35 plus 3 is equal to 30. 38 upon 5. 38 upon 5 into breadth. When we transfer this into this side, we have to find breadth. So we have to transfer this number into other side to the left hand side to the equal. So it will go up and it will go down, right? Means cross multiplication. So I can write this like this way. I am writing this breadth here. Here D will come. Breadth is equal to 361 upon 10 into 5 upon 38, right? If you do not understand it, then you can see here 361 upon 10. If we transfer this portion into this side to the equal, then it will become cross multiply, means 5 will come up and 38 will go down. It will equal to breadth, right? So I have write its breadth in this side and this portion to this side. We can write it like this way. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and this will cut by 19. If you divide it by 19, then here 19 will come. If you divide this by 19, then 19 will come, right? So 19 2s are 38 and 19s are 361. You can divide it at your home, it will come 361, right? Now breadth is equal to 19 into 1. Here 1 is remaining, so 19 into 1 will be equal to 19. Here this 2 and this 2 will be equal to 4. 2 2s are 4, right? So our breadth is, I am writing here, breadth is equal to 19 upon 4. Or if you want to transfer it in the form of mixed fraction, then you can write it like this way. 4 divided by 19. 4 4s are 16 and 3 will remain. So 4 is to 3 by 4. 4 is to 3 by 4. You can write it like this way. 4 is to 3 by 4 meter will be your breadth. This is your answer. You can write this one and you can write it. Both are correct, right? You can write this one and you can write this one. Both are correct. 19 upon 4 is also correct and 4 is to 3 by 4 is also correct. So you can write any one of these two. Now come to the next question. Have you understand? Rectangle of area is equal to length into breadth. Now come to the next question. Question number 11. The weight of 20 book is 15:2 by 3 kg. Find the weight of one book. We have here 12 books and their weight, right? So we have to find weight of one book. So weight of one book is equal to solution is equal to weight of one book is equal to weight of one book is equal to total book total weight upon number of book, right? Total weight, if we divide total weight by number of book, then we can find the weight of one book. It's simple. Total weight upon number of book, so we can find the weight of one book. Now divide total weight is here 15 is to 2 by 3 upon the number of book here is 12, right? Now let us solve this. 15 3s are 45 plus 2 47 upon 3, 47 upon 3 and upon this 12, right? Here it is nothing in denominator of this 12. Let us assume here it is 1 and transfer this portion into form of in multiplication. So it will become reciprocal into 12 upon 1. Sorry, it will go in 1 upon 12. It will become reciprocal here. So it will go like this, right? When it go in multiplication, so it will become reciprocal, means 1 upon 12. Correct? Now multiply this to 47 into 1 will be equal to 47 and 12 3s are 36. So here this is the weight of your one book. This is the weight of your one book. You can write it in the form of mixed fraction, like by dividing this 37 1s are 37, 36 1s are 36, then 36 here remaining will be equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, 4 minus 3 11. So you can write it in this form that 1 is to 11 upon 36. 1 is to 11 upon 36. 1 is to 11 upon 36. You can write it in this form. 1 is to 11 upon 36 kg. Here we find the weight, so unit of weight is kg, right? So this will be your answer. You can write this one also, but we get here weight in form of mixed fraction, so we have to write answer in the mixed fraction. Here question give to us a weight in the form of mixed fraction, so we have to write answer in the form of mixed fraction. So this is your answer. This is your correct answer. 11 is to 1 upon 36, right? Now last question of the exercise, question number 12. If the cost of 1 kg of mangoes is 48 is to 2 by 3, then how much quantities of mango can be purchased of 438 rupees? So now number of mangoes, quantities of mango can be purchased is equal to, here you can write quantity of mangoes can be purchased is equal to total amount, या rupees, whatever you want to read, total rupees. You can write here total rupees upon cost of 1 kg of mango, upon cost of 1 kg of mango. So it will come 438, total rupees 438 upon cost of 1 mango is equal to 48 is to 2 by 3. right? So here 438 into 43 into 3 will be 444. When you multiply 48 into 3, it will come 144 plus 2 is equal to 146 upon 2. This 2 will go up, means if we write it in the form of multiplication, then this will reciprocal like this, right? Now you can divide this by 2, so it will come 2 7s are 14 and 2 3s are 6. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 2 9s are 18. This is the prime number. This is the prime number, so it will not divide. So let us divide this directly. So when you multiply 73 by 3, then it will come 29219, right? Means 73 ones are 73 and 73 3s are 219, right? 219, like this, because it is a prime number. We cannot cut it by any other number rate. So 3 into 2, 3 into 2, here it is a 3, sorry, here it is 3 in denominator, so 3 will come. 3 3s are 9 kg of mangoes you can purchase in 438 rupees. You can solve it by one more way. Let us, I told you here, mangoes can be purchased in mangoes. This is the second way. Whatever way you find easy, you can write this. You can solve by this method. Mangoes can be purchased in rupees 48 is to 2 by 3 is equal to 1 kg, right? इतने रुपये में कितना 1 kg 40 is to 2 by 3 में 1 kg परचेस कर रहा है. Now mangoes can be purchased in Rs rupees 438 is equal to we can write it like this way: 438 into 1 upon 48 is to 2 by 3. This is the same here and here, right? So the solution will be same from right now. This is the different. Here you can write it in the form of formula, here you can write it in the form of definition, right? So whatever way you will suitable, whatever way you find that this is the easy way, you can solve it by